Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import VRM into the Blender and export the FBX file with the facial shape keys. And I'm going to show you all the step-by-step, start from beginning. Alright, now you can see I have a VRM file and I'm going to open the Blender. I will just show you the step-by-step. Once you already open the Blender, click the empty area and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. And then if you click file import, if you cannot see the VRM file at here, if you cannot see the VRM, you need to just go to the edit and go to the preferences, go to the add-on, get extension here, this one, click and search for VRM. And you should be able to see the VRM format. If you not yet install it, you have to click install. Make sure you connect with the internet, install the VRM format, the plugin. Then after that, once you already install and activate it at the add-on, here you need to check VRM. Make sure you already tick it. Then close. If you click file import, you should be able to see the VRM. Just click, and then if you directly drag in the VRM, it's okay. You can directly drag in the VRM file. Just drag and drop into the Blender here and just wait for a few seconds. At this moment, sometimes it may show not responding, but you just need to be patient. Just wait for a few seconds, it will be ready. Just have a look. You can see the VRM file already imported and we need to check everything. The first step, you should be able to see some of this. You can see some of the empties are here. We can just delete everything for this. Click the first one and scroll down, hold the shift and click the last one and just press delete to delete everything. We just left the armature and just check the facial expression. All of the shape keys, it will be at here. You can see these are the shape keys. So we are going to export as FBX file with the correct shape key. So what can we do? Just click file, export FBX. Then if you want to make sure of the shape keys, the blend shape, the morph were exported, then you have to just make sure, just go to the geometry. Make sure the apply modifiers untick. You have to untick this, otherwise all of the facial shape key won't be exported into the FBX. Then scroll up, the path mode, choose copy, and also highlight this. The path mode copy and highlight this. It is going to make sure all of the material texture were embedded inside the FBX file exported later. So as demo, I'm going to just export as FBX file on my desktop and just name this as model01 and click export FBX. Then you can see the FBX file is already here. Then we are going to test it in another Blender's window. Just a fresh new Blender project file. We are going to check is that available. We are going to check the shape key and the skeleton as well. So now this is a fresh new Blender project file. I click the empty area, I just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Then I drag in the FBX file, drag in, click import. Now we are going to check it. So now check the material texture. I'm going to just turn this on, the material preview. Now all of the materials are still there. I click the skeletons, then just go to the skeletons, viewport data, just make sure it don't show in front. And we are going to check the facial shape key. Is that all of this still there? Alright, it is still there. Congratulations. And we are going to check the skeleton. Just show it in front, and I'm going to just go to the pose mode and try to check is that all of the skeletons still okay to use. Right, so all of these skeletons are still functioned properly, so that means this FBX file is already successfully exported with the embedded texture. At the same time, it also included all of the facial shape keys or any of the shape keys, etc. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the VRM and export as FBX for the Blender, which exported the FBX with the facial shape key and full skeletons. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!